Metallographic analysis is one of the main methods to study the internal structure and defect of metals and alloys. Using a metallographic microscope to magnify 1HUND or ED tilde O and E1500 times on specially prepared samples to study the microstructure of metals and alloys. Microscopic analysis can study the relationship between the microstructure of metals and alloys and their chemical composition. The microstructure of various alloy materials after different processing and heat treatment can be determined. The quality of metal materials can be judged, such as the quantity and distribution of various non-metallic inclusions, oxides, sulfides, etc., in the structure, as well as the size of metal grain size.